western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Darien, 8 miles southwest of Jonathan, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud north of Sharon. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Walworth, Sharon, Darien, and Allen's Grove. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ 87 in Madison.